The nature of Turgo tourist village. This tour is a tourist village that presents the natural beauty of the countryside, which is still natural and very beautiful. Nature tourism located in this village of Turgo Purwobinangun, Pakam Sleman, Yogyakarta. Located at the foot of Mount Merapi with a very vast stretch of hill. Have a natural charm that attracts tourists. Cool, natural, and spoil the eyes. When you first enter this tourist village, you are immediately treated to one enchanting hill, supported by several natural tourist destinations that offer diverse potential. Among them are Turgo Hills. Here we can enjoy the natural beauty by climbing for approximately 1 hour and passing through the path, accompanied by a very cool expanse of nature. When you reach the top, your tiredness will pay off with the beauty you get. At the top, tourists will find the tomb of Sheikh Jumadil Kubro, which is one of the religious tourism objects. The tomb is one of the historical sites that tourists can find there. Tourists who come to Turgo tourism can enjoy the best tours to enjoy the beautiful panorama of the slopes of Merapi and flora, fauna that live in this area. With natural potential combined with local wisdom, making Turgo Tourism Village suitable as a tourist destination. Visitors can see and follow the traditional making of tea and coffee by the surrounding community. Tourists will mingle in local community activities and be directly involved in making traditional Merapi tea and coffee with the original taste of Turgo in the homes of local residents. You can also enjoy the beauty of the bamboo and pine forest here. So, let's come to Turgo Tourist Village. We will be waiting for your arrival. See you!